Hello everyone, my name is Li Fei, or in English would be Felix. Now we're actually going to go through Memrise, because what we want at Domino is for you to feel the freedom to be able to choose whatever sort of application you'd like to use. So we've set up DominoChinese with our vocab list, with our vocab for any flashcard decks or any place for you basically to practice in. So this is one of them. And if you like it, you can go ahead and just start using it after this tutorial is done. So you start like this, you type in Memrise. If you know what it is already, it is a wonderful little way to give you mnemonics, is the word Memrise comes from. It's a play on sound there, because mnemonics is something you help yourself remember through. Okay, so you sign up there, you sort of just write these things, and then it will say a few different things. It will ask you which language, you hopefully will select that one. And after that, it will ask you beginner or so on, but this doesn't really matter. In this case, I just pressed beginner so that I could get into the course, and then I could press exit. You can see I pressed exit on the top there. Also, you can do that, I'll tell you more about that later, like setting goals for every day. Now what's important is you go to this courses thing, and then you can actually search for Domino Chinese, and we'll have our official Domino sets there. All of our 20 levels being covered, and it's wonderful. Okay, so you press there. And then you can see all the levels here. I should probably move now. You can see all the levels now. There's 20 levels in total. So every level is a deck, basically, or cards. And that might sound like a lot to you, but it doesn't necessarily have to be like that, because when you, sorry, I have to move again now. When you press practice, I should probably just go up over here. So when you press practice, you will start with lesson 1 then. We won't go randomly back to or up to level or lesson 10 all of a sudden, back to lesson 3, and then back and forth like that. Okay, and this is how you practice then. First they give you a few clues, or they just show you a few times, and then they'll give you the answer. Now this is what might happen sometimes. We can't really do much about this. You see we had 2 and 2 there, and it just means that in 2 different questions we have 2 as the answer, and the computer doesn't know that we did that, so it just puts 2 there. And I'm sorry about that, but that's just what happens. So that's the only deficit with using Memrise. Also, you can use these ones. You can set daily goals, and I very much recommend doing that if you'd like to use Memrise. And yeah, I think we're pretty much done there. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for watching. 再见 for now.